Seahawks, they fired their D coordinator, Chris Richard. They replaced him with Ken Norton Jr. He's coming back to Seattle. Brian Schottenheimer was reportedly taking over now as the new offensive coordinator. So we got all new coordinators right now under Pete Carroll. So B-Mac, if you're Norton or if you're Schottenheimer, who's got the tougher job out there in the Pacific Northwest?
Schottenheimer, and here's why. That offense, if it wasn't for Russell Wilson,
he is the offense.
they would have no shot in being competitive. When you look at the defense, they got key pieces. Just the injury bug tore that defense apart. So eventually these players will get healthy, right?
Yeah.
Well, offensively, you weren't losing because of injury after injury after injury to key players. You just couldn't block anybody. You couldn't run the football. Now, granted, they had some injuries at the running back position.
They tried like 8 different guys.
Every year they're trying out 8 different guys. Every year. I mean, so I think that talent is not on the same level offensively as it is for the defense. And with that being said, I believe Schottenheimer has a tougher job.
So is Brian Schottenheimer lobbying to Pete Carroll to draft me a running back,
Listen,
a wide receiver?
I need to go get me a running back
lineman?
via free agency. I need to get some offensive linemen, either draft-wise or via free agency.
You got to keep Russell Wilson
They
healthy.
got to find out who the running back is. You got to find out to keep, like you said, your franchise quarterback. He runs for his life. I didn't know him better. I thought he was Forrest Gump. He just run for us, run.
But Fat Eddie Lacy's not going to be back in the equation.
Why did you call him fat?
Gains weight.
Can we use another adjective?